Refrigerator. The way to use the refrigerator is you gotta push in and then press down to open it. And when you close, hear a click. Same thing here. You gotta push in and then press to open it. To close, push all the way. And then in the refrigerator, we have filtered water. These filters are fairly new, so you can use the filtered water. This one has the temperature. It tells you how cold the refrigerator is. Okay. That's good. Okay, so turn on the refrigerator. You press power, and if you want a very cold, make it 5 stars. A lot of time 3 stars is cold enough. You can have options of only when power is on, you have AC. Or you can have, when there's battery, you can have AC. Sometimes you want the AC to be off because it's turning, it's using a lot of your battery. You press the power key and hold for 3 seconds. Now the now the refrigerator is off. And then when you open the refrigerator for the first time, there may be food flowing out. So just when you open the refrigerator, just open a little bit and make sure no food comes out. We do have these shelving holders that helps to keep the food in place. But still, when you stop and you open the refrigerator for the first time, make sure you check a little bit because we have eggs and soup falling down if you don't.